When you go out for like a staff meal or something, you can't go because you just can't eat, and there's no way I'm taking that in front of that lot. I get enough ridicule as it is. I don't eat anymore. And I just want to be able to smile, and in my job Binador, it does help. That little smile can go a long way. It can diffuse an issue rather than now I look everybody at the club I work at will call me grumpy because of that smile. Your whole face and everything about you changes because you've got that little bit more confidence to smile. The worst thing about before, the false teeth would move, they'd be uncomfortable, and you never knew if they were going to stay in or fall out. For me, it was more about embarrassment. With false teeth, there are certain words and conversations you can't have, so you're always thinking all the time. And to me, they're a horrible thing. They really are. In the job I'm in as well, it's a horrible thought that they're moving about or they could fall out. And for me, for my own personal confidence, it's something I wanted to change. If I could change anything about me, it was my teeth. So the difference is, well, colossal. And just for myself, you know, to look in the mirror or to be able to eat something or talk or smile. I never used to smile, and my son, who's my youngest boy, he always said, why couldn't I laugh and joke and stuff? Because it's embarrassing. I thought I was going to be in pain for a few days or, you know, for a week. But remarkably, after the first 24 hours, it felt okay. Obviously a little bit tender and a little bit sore, but nothing in comparison to what I thought. Bit of a sissy when it comes to having things drilled in my mouth. I've got a real issue with that. Once I'd come round after the initial operation as such, it was fine. The next day, I was back to doing what I was normally doing. If you look at it on the telly like you do, it looks a bit macabre and a bit, but with the technology and the expertise that goes into putting these implants in, I think that's the difference between good and bad. I've had no problem at all, you know, touch wood, you know. Eating before was a minefield of problems. Now I've put a stand on. That's the only thing with having good, healthy teeth or implants and bridges and that. I eat everything. I eat absolutely everything. Apples, pies, steak. Get a bit of a porch. The missus are moan about my stomach, but there's no comparison. Dentures, false teeth, whatever you want to call it, not even close. Not even close. I mean, I can eat better now than I've ever eaten. Because it's such an important step in someone's life. I've looked around all over the world, locally, and neither them or anyone gave me the confidence, because you see so many horror stories of things going wrong, and you've got to get it right, and I've been lucky. I've got everything right. When I went to the Brighton Implant Clinic, she was really good. You know, the dentist I saw was very reassuring and precise. There were so many different things to think of, and they went through it all. She was really good. If you're happy with the people who are treating you, that's the difference. I'd like to moan, because I like moaning, but I've got nothing to moan at. It's been a brilliant journey. I mean, the journey's been quite extensive, but you know, that's what you expect. If you want the best, then you give the time to the dentists, and they do the job. You know, and you've done the job brilliant. Look, I mean, look, can't argue with that. It makes me over happy.